Jordan came up here and cleaned this stuff all up for us. Last time we came, it was terrible. Now you can actually ride it. Wow. Some bamboo action, man. Awesome. This place is kind of still tight. I guess he has to come back in and do some more, little bit of trail maintenance right here. But it's good. Good, it's real good. Nothing like riding in the bamboo forest, that's for sure. Yeah. Nice day in the bamboo. Woo. Only thing, you gotta watch this bamboo. If it's cut in the right angle, it's sharp. It'll make mince meat out of you, that's for sure. Wow. It's a nice day today, I'm telling you. Wish you were here with me. Yeah. Time now is about 10:27. I gotta get out of here at 1 o'clock. I gotta go to work again. But get a good workout. Gotta get a good workout in today. Oh, see, that's where we gotta go. Alright. Probably what happened to Reggie there. Alright. Hey Reggie! I got myself a knife. I scored myself a knife. Look at that. Swiss Army knife. Yeah, baby. Woohoo! Swiss Army knife. I can use that. Swiss Army knife. Not the Chinese one. Yeah. Got myself a Swiss Army knife. I found so many tools in these trails. You wouldn't believe it. That's a real lifesaver right there.